So now I just got this RC transmitter remote right there and receiver. It actually came with two receivers, and the receivers came with this cable that plugs in there, but I don't know what that does. I thought it powers things, but actually we got to power it like how I see other people power these receivers. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but in any case, plus is in the middle, and then negative is to the right, and then signal is to the left, but we don't have a signal for the power supply. So I'm going to plug in the power supply to this bottom one, and I think I could do to 6 as well. I think that's what it's saying over there. And yeah, now we got power. So nothing happened when I tried to power this one over there, and so I don't know, maybe I like damaged something. So in any case, this is ready to connect to the remote, which we will do next. So now we got the receiver powered. Apparently, if you have a new controller, you should hit that button right there. It says Bing, and then when you turn the controller on right there, they should sync together, and there you can sync them together. So far I'm just trying to control servos with this. Okay, looks like it's left and right. So it's plugged into channel 1 right there. If I move the controller to the left, it moves to the left, and it doesn't really do anything. If I move to the right, it moves just like a little bit for some reason right there. So I think it's meant for motor control or something, instead of a servo that goes one way and the other way. But in any case, that's channel 1, and it looks like that's about all I can do with the servo right there. So now I moved my servo from channel 1 to channel 2 right there, and we'll zoom back, and there is the servo. So right now it's at channel 2, which looks like up and down controls it, but I can't do anything really with the servo going up, but I can going down. There you can see I can move it. Now there's a button back here that we can press. So if for channel 2, if I set it like halfway approximately, right there, I press that OK button, it's going to hold it in place. Now I can slowly change where it's going. Hopefully you can see that a little bit. It's got a loud beep though, very annoying. There's also channel 2 adjust here. There's channel 1 adjust too, but I can't really do much with the servo with that. But I'm going to cover this, kind of hold the buzz. I'm going to press the up arrow, and you hear the buzz. There you can see it move. And then hold down the down arrow, and it moves in the other way and stays in position. So now again, I just got this RC receiver and transmitter. We'll look at that remote, and we're going to look at number 3 right there. We looked at number 1 and number 2 previously. So yeah, I think the servo looks okay there, and we got the remote. So 3, 4, and 5. Doesn't matter which one I'm plugged into, other than which button I press. So there's the button for 3. So when I press 3, you can see the servo moves into one position right there. And then when I press it again, it moves back into the other position. And so yeah, that's all it does. It's the 2 extremes of the range, I believe. So yeah, so far that's about all I've been able to figure out what I can do with this RC transmitter, the remote, and the receiver, and a servo right there. I'm going to turn this off, and that's it.